Welcome to the FactoryHelp channel, hydraulic one-way flow control valve. The function of a flow valve is to reduce the rate of flow in its leg of the circuit. Flow reduction results in speed reduction at the actuator. For an example of an actuator, here is a cylinder. The check valve, which is often already included within the housing, acts like a bypass for the return flow when the direction of the volume flow is reversed. Cylinder. Valve. Closing the flow control valve leads to added resistance to the hydraulic circuit and therefore increases the pressure. Furthermore, high pressure results in a partial bypassing of oil over the pressure relief valve within the hydraulic power pack. If the flow control valve is totally closed, the pressure relief valve is fully opened. To say it another way, the flow rate of the pump does not become smaller or disappear. The oil flow is only redirected. Please note here our video about the hydraulic power pack. Here, the function of the pump and the pressure relief valve within this power unit is explained in detail. As you can see, a certain pressure difference equals a certain volume flow. However, the relationship is not linear if the oil flow through a throttle is considered as turbulent. Unfortunately, when the pressure differential changes due to a change in the input flow or external load, the flow rate also changes. An orifice is simply a disc with a hole, so in contrast to a throttle, the ratio of length compared to flow diameter is very small, resulting in different behavior within the hydraulic circuit. The graph below shows a comparison of the volume flow between a throttle and an orifice as a function of the pressure difference. As you can see, the volume flow at an ideal throttle with a soft transition from thicker to thinner diameter increases roughly proportional to the pressure, provided that the flow is maintained as laminar. Regarding the orifice, the viscous fluid friction is very low, and thus the flow rate hardly depends on the viscosity of the oil. This is an advantage. On the other hand, you see a big amount of swirls, especially at the exit point of the orifice. Confidence comes from knowledge. Learn with us. Become an expert in industrial solutions.